Hello, Sudoku friends. Hi, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, March the 23rd, 2021. I've already solved 3 puzzles: Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, binary puzzle, so 1 left. I only do 4 of them, 4 of 8, because in this additional there are 8 extra Sudokus. But this one is a tectonic one, and it will be number 25119. And before I start, I always count the printed digits so you can see the difficulty level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 4, 14. Alright, could be a hard one, mostly 4 stars puzzles. I need 30 minutes or more to solve if it's really a 4 stars. And printed digits for 4 stars tectonic, yeah, 10 or 11. It will be a hard one, but you cannot tell. Maybe this one could be also a hard one. Okay, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here only one single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have more single box? No. I see here a duo box. Duo box. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2. It contains, yes, do we have more duo box? I see here triple box. It contains 1, 2, and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Here we have also a triple box. 1, 2, and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes? No quadra box. Alright, so the next strategy is to find or recognize some shapes or constructions or figures. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Remember, this box has the same number as that box. So let me draw this. Yes, but also in the T shape, this box has the same number as that box. So here we have a 1, so this should be also a 1. Okay, do we have more T shapes or T construction? No, the Z construction, upside down. Yes, the Z. And remember, this box has the same number as that box, so this should be also a 1. But also that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more Z? Yes, here we have a Z construction. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box, so this should be a 2. All right, do we have more Z construction or Z figures? No. The L, a mirror, L shape. Yes, L shape. Remember, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, this box has the same number as that box. No. I've drawn this. This box has the same number as that box. This is wrong. Okay. Oh, apologies. I bumped the tripod. So this is not correct. This is also not correct. Okay. So it should be here. Yeah. This box. It's the same number as that box. Okay. Here we have also L construction or L shape upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more L shapes? No. Then these kind of shapes. Remember, this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then this kind of shape. Oh, wait, let me draw this. Yes. And this kind of shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Okay, so you can make this easier for you if you recognize the shapes. Do we have more of these? Yeah, here, this, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So it should be a 1 and a 2. But I see here a 2. So this box cannot be a 2. This should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. And in this dual box, one box left should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be a 1. Alright. Okay, so let's get started. I have all the figures. Yes. Yeah. So let's get started. Alright. So in this W shape, this box cannot be a 2. But also that box cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be a 4. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. Wait. Yeah. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1, should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 boxes left in this L shape of L figure. For the numbers 3 and 4, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. Then, let me see. Yeah. Can it be 2? So 3 or 4. Okay. This is a quarter box. I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. So we have a 2 here. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Okay. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4 because I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this quarter box could be here, could be there. Yeah. No, 4. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This L shape. Excuse me. Alright. We have 4 numbers left in this L shape. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5 in this Z construction. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I have here double 1. And that means that I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Okay. This triple box. Yes. This box, I cannot place a 1. And this box, I cannot place a 3. So 1 digit left should be the 2. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. Yeah, we have a 2 here. So the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 2 and a 5. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright. Well, this box is connected with that box. So if I place a 5 here, so this should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here. This is not the solution, the 5. Should be the 2. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Okay, 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Alright. I think this box should be a... No, I cannot. This box should be a 5. Yes, I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here. I have marked these 2 boxes with the 5. So this box cannot be 5 anymore. That box should be the 5. Alright. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Triple box. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 3. So 1 number left should be the 2. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W shape area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes and there. Yes, we have a 2 there, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Yes, it's connected with that box. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 4. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 3. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then let me think. Yes, these 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5. Oh, no, this is a quadra box, so no 5 there. Okay, these 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2, I've marked those 2 boxes with the 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, the 3 and the 4 are left. 3 and the 4, okay. 4 and the 5. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Z constriction. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair should be the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those, 1 and the 3. And yeah, 1 and a 3. That means this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and 3, but we see here a 1. I cannot place a 1 here. This should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. So 1 box left in this Z constriction for the 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box is going to be 3 anymore. This box should be the 3, and this box should be a 4. Okay. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 5, because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5, and that box should be a 4. All right, 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 4. Okay, this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. That means I cannot place a 5 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here. And the 4 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5. And this box should be a 3. Finished in 17 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I think I will give this 2 stars or 3 stars. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Wednesday. Have a great day today. And we will meet again soon. Bye-bye for now.